I'm Steve Benjamin, Mayor of Columbia, South Carolina, one of the best read cities in the entire country. We're so excited about the One Book, One Columbia effort this year because it helps bring our entire community together around one book, The Dry Grass of August by A.J. Mayhew. It helps us focus on the very turbulent civil rights movement and what it meant to a family in the southern United States. The power of reading between families and neighbors and people who think they have nothing in common but all share a love for the written word is something that we are very proud of here in Columbia, and we're going to work together to make sure that we continue to promote for years to come. Please join us in One Book, One Columbia this year.